Hey students, once again I welcome you here. This is a mobile special day 6 of beginners module. In this module we will be making a game that is a chess game specially that can be made over the mobile phone. So this is a special video for those who are only having mobile.
So students, let us start a game over the mobile Scratch. I have already told you that Scratch Junior mobile app you can download simply on your Android mobile phone, and with that you can make games. So the game that we have already made over the laptop, that is a chess game, that game today we are going to make on the mobile phone. So let us go to the home page of the Scratch. Here I am going to take a new project. In this new project, for making the chess game, I need to take some sprites. So here the sprites that I am taking, see the cat is there, that is available. So let us see some more sprites that can be added up and that can be made fun with. So I'm adding some starfishes here. I'm adding starfish. Let us add some more starfishes for making this sprite game more beautiful. I'm adding one more starfish. So here I'm having two starfishes, and I'm not taking this cat now, so I'm deleting this cat. Just by long pressing over the sprite you can get a small red cross and you can delete it easily. And see now what is there over my screen. I'm having two stars or two starfishes. Okay, now next thing that I need is I need some sprite that I can use along with the starfish. As you know, the starfish is in water, it lives in water, so I need to add some of the sprite that is also present in water. So let me check what the thing I can add here. Along with the starfish I can add, yes, I can add this diver. This is a scuba diver that I am adding here. Okay, now the thing that we have to go for is that this starfish will randomly move over the screen, and I want to save my scuba diver from touching to the starfish. That is the game that we are going to make. Okay, I will make the starfish move randomly over the screen, and with the touch, because you all have the touch mobile phone, the screen is touch phone है ना. So now whenever you will be just dragging out the scuba diver, you can shift its position as in the mobile application that we have, as in the computer application that we have made. We were using the keyboard, left, right, up and down keys we were using, but in the mobile application we can simply drag our Scratch. So now let us see how we will be coding for it. One more thing we have to add before starting the coding part, and that is a new background. So I can add a background here also. So I am taking some of the backgrounds. So let me add this aquatic background, that will be very good. So here is the aquatic background. Okay, other thing that I need to draw here is that I want one more background, and that background, see, I am deleting the cat because I don't need the cat here. I am just deleting it. I want to write something here. For writing something here, I want to take the writing thing, or see, nothing is there na, that the background you can take in which something is written, it is not already present, so you have to prepare it by your own. For preparing it, you can see here I have already made a game over background, but if you want you can simply go to the paint option and you can simply select the delete, means you can delete anything you want out there, and with the background you can simply write anything, like game over. If you want to write, I can simply write game over. So I'm writing here game over. You can see game over. So over mobile phone it becomes much more easier because we can easily write anything with just our finger touch. Okay, now game over. So now see this, what is the game actually, let me tell you that first, that in case of this scuba diver, what will happen, the thing that is going to happen is that whenever these starfishes are moving, they will try to touch, they will come and touch the scuba diver, but every time they are going to touch the scuba diver, we will lose the game. Okay, so whenever we are going to lose the game, then the game should be over and this screen should be displayed. I'm just zooming it on to have a good view of what we have made up till now. We have not coded anything yet. We have just prepared a theme in which we have added 2 starfishes. Even you can add as many as you want. We have added a scuba diver. This scuba diver I can simply drag over my screen, and the game is that I have to shift this scuba diver so that it should not get hit with this starfishes. Now let us do some coding for it. Now I am going to firstly reduce the size of this scuba diver. As you know, the size matters. If it is going to be very large, it will be easily hit by the starfishes. So first of all, I am taking this block, that is whenever the game is going to start, at that time what I have to do, I have to reduce the size. So I am taking this size reduction. Here the size is reduced, so I'm going to play it. Now see, the size gets reduced. So this size, I think it is fine. I can save my scuba diver with this much size. Okay, so whenever there will be the starting up of the game, at that time the size of the scuba diver will be reduced, or even I am going to play it like this also, that will be fine. So next thing that I want to do is that whenever this scuba diver is going to touch the stars, for that I want to make the coding over star. I want that over the starting of the game, these stars should move randomly. So here I am adding some random motions. As you can see, I am adding some codings, some blocks I am adding, and these are very much random blocks. Anywhere just I have added the movements. Okay, so let us see how they will move. So when I am adding these blocks, the star will move like this. Even I can add some more in between. Okay, so let us see now how the star will move. Okay, the star is randomly moving, anywhere it can go. Okay, now let us add some more codings. Now I am going to add this block, and this block is actually the loop. Loop is that the thing that we have added inside it, it will get repeated again and again. So this is the loop that is going to happen again and again. Okay, and also I want that this should get repeated. So I am taking this one. You can see here, repeat forever. I am taking this block and I am adding it at the end. So whenever the things will get played, it will move again and again in random positions. So this much is done. Even I can add some more codings in between. Okay. Now second thing that I want is whenever this star is going to touch the scuba diver, at that time what should happen? At that time there should be a message, or there can be a sound even. So let us add some sound. I have added this sound, and whenever the sound is going to be produced, then I want that game should be over. So I am preparing it like this. See, I'm for a while I'm deleting one starfish here for making the game much more easier for you. Just I have added one starfish, and let me show you what I have coded up till now. I'm just enlarging the screen, I am going to click the green flag, and wherever this star will move, I am going to save my scuba diver from that, so that it should not come and touch the scuba diver. See, this is only a single star. If it is going to touch, then the game over screen, that came. So this is how we can easily make the game over the mobile app. Okay, you can add many more things here. See, it is not directly given here, no doubt it is not directly given here that how randomly you will be moving your star, but you can anytime add up more things. You can add like the green flag you can add, and then you can say that I want the star size should be increased. So anytime you can increase the star size, you can even change the number. You can say that 5 times it should get increased. So when I'm going to play it, the star size is increased, but the game is over. So like that you can make your game. Okay, so many of you were having the doubt that how we will be making the game over the mobile phone, and many of you even said that it is not possible to make the game, and I told you that nothing is impossible. You can make any kind of games here. So that is very much possible, everyone, that you can try at least some different things. No doubt many of the functions are not present over the mobile phone, but you can try making it. Okay, and the last thing that was left is that there is no option for the scoring. Yes, of course, here you don't get any kind of option for scoring, but obviously we can add some message. So let us add some message here. I'm adding some message like before the game over. I'm adding here the message like oops, this message I'm adding. Okay, so let us see how we will be playing along with. So I'm again making the screen large, and now the game started. I have to save the scuba diver, and I'm just shifting its position, and if by mistake I am going to touch it, then firstly message will come, then the game will be over. So this is how you can make it. And simply if you want to increase the level of the game, you can anytime add many more of the sprites. You can add many of the sprites that you want, that you wish for, and you can make the game according to that. Okay,